Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Android. Let's get started. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to your settings, and from in there, you should be able to see in here a search bar. On your search bar, search in here for hide, and you can be able to see in here this hide apps. Click on that, and then from in there, click on the hide apps, and then just input your privacy password or setup if you don't have that yet. Now from in there, scroll down and look for the app that you want to hide. For example, let's hide right here this olive trade. Let's enable that. And then from in there, you need to enter access code and dial pad. Click on the settings and then put in here the actual access code that you want. So it should be able to start with this one and must contain this one digit and end with one. Then click on check. Then it's all set up. Now click on done. And when you head over right here to your homepage, you should not be able to see the app from there anymore. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, or if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.